your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CEO.za. The country is pregnant with expectation. Umpokotho unexhala phasi yabekwa elangeni. We are all expecting something beautiful, something amazing. It's the Nedbank Cup final. It's in Durban. There's a bizarre scenario that leads or precedes this final, the spectacle. Over 10,000 people bought tickets. They were told that it's sold out. So 10,000 extra people, their monies were taken, and then the next day they were given back. Now those people, or most of them, they got their monies back. In their minds, they purchased those tickets. Now you would expect that some of them will be emboldened enough to actually go to the Moses Mabhida Stadium, and that could create a dangerous situation tomorrow. They got their money back, but they got the confirmation that they got the ticket as well, but then it was reversed because the tickets were already sold out. We pray that we don't see any disaster. We expect that the people of eThekwini, the SAPS in eThekwini and the beautiful province of KwaZulu-Natal, they will be able to control that. Ours, of course, is about talking the football, but we pray and we hope and we urge our people not to go there if they do not have tickets. Ubobo, Shane, Umachaka, and the Itiski TV family, some of the people will be there as well to capture the essence of this beautiful spectacle. Junior Kanye, our analyst, very big day tomorrow. Kaizer Chiefs could win a trophy for the first time in 9.11 months, close to 10 years now. Orlando Pirates, the better team, of course, yet another final. Their pedigree is unquestionable when they get to finals, especially under Jose Rivero. They already played at the Moses Mabhida Stadium. They beat Golden Arrows. We were here 3 days ago. It was like a dress rehearsal against Golden Arrows at that same stadium. So they've already put their own things there, their secret skhala there, because they got the first in Durban, and they've been in Durban for the whole week, whereas Kaizer Chiefs have just touched down in Durban, maybe over the last 24 hours. What do you expect from this encounter? Maybe let's talk about the fans as well. Your message to them about it's already sold out. Please don't go to the stadium.
Yeah, I'm
Yes, sir.
Justice.
Juster?
Benedict Sovila
Sir,
guys.
justify.
Family mfethu yonke.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDisc TV fighting and try to fix South African football. Man, you lento ikhuluma mfethu very very important. Asifuna ukubona lento enzeka lapha eLees Park yabo.
Yeah.
And we don't want to lose anyone. Everybody is important, and sicela nje I'm not too sure ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngayo yonke lento crisis, and I'm pleading to people, if ba return imali yabo, can they do bazenzele simple, can they stay behind and watch the game on the TV?
We will also be watching it on TV.
Nathi will be sitting here and doing the game like TV. So please nabo bazenzele lento abazoyibona stadium bazoyibona le TV. So kunokuthi kuluze komphefumulo. Nobody want to lose whoever. So akekho umuntu ofuna ukuthi ahambe emhlabeni, I believe. And we can't do it on purpose. Angithi sasibonile kwenzakaleni. I-return job usho babuyile. It's not easy, yes, psychological abanye abashaya, but can they accept? Ukwamukela sometimes kuyasiza mfethu to save not you. You are saving so many souls. And please man, mina ikoncenga nje ngiyazicelela ngokuzithoba. We don't want to hear anything next week Monday okanye mhlambe Sunday morning.
Yeah.
So
sorry to cut you. You grew up under Operation Fat Alice. 2001, Kaizer Chiefs wins everything except for the league. They win the Mandela Cup, which is now the Confederations Cup. They win the Coca-Cola Cup and everything else that was on offer. The BP Top 8, maybe it was called then in 2001. You were a kid at the time under Kaizer Chiefs. I mention this because even I, as following Kaizer Chiefs, at that time, no one could have said, dear Kaizer Chiefs, one day you will go on for 10 years without a trophy. But here we are now. Can you believe it that it's been almost 10 years to the day since Kaizer Chiefs won one trophy? That's a club that used to win. They were poor in the league some years, but they will win one thing. Even if they're poor in the league, they can win an Absa Cup. Even if they're poor in the league, they win one thing. It's been 10 years without anything now.
Yeah, Ted won the trophy, I think 2003 and 4.
Yes.
And all 2004.
It was a league and a cup. It was a double.
Yes, he won the league twice.
Yeah.
About 2003 and 4, and also 2004 and 5. Right, I think 2001 being good development still, but the things was pronyocho, and Operation Fat LS, I think Mushin, yeah, Utema
Yeah.
figure, why emphasize they won the Coca-Cola, they won everything, as usual, Mandela Cup, also tend to continue. Because I'm a star player against by that time. Not everybody could play at the team. Because sometimes it was not all about money. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs in Ayunkinto for me, I believe. A few of my team are structured like Kaizer Chiefs in terms of professionalism.
Yeah.
And Kaizer Chiefs, I believe they've got money for me. There is no way good to obvious, but they are strategic. It's like yazma uyikhuluma kanje kuba ngathi it's a dream kimi kuba ngathi
Yeah,
phupho
it's unbelievable.
yeah
It's been
ngoba
10
isikhathi
years.
kusho ukuthi kuyasheshisa isikhathi
Yep.
yeah isikhathi I mean isikhathi sashesha mfethu and I never thought kungaphela boma even 6 years Kaizer
Yeah.
Chiefs ingawin niks.
Not even 3 years. They used to win one thing every year.
And in style. So it always happens. We can't change it. Yenzekile. And as we speak now, we're facing exactly what's happening at Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Playing against the team that is doing well in terms of cup, Jose Rivero, Bambizang a cup specialist, and also idlala ngabafana intwana ezincane that they are so exciting to watch.
Absolutely.
Attacking football, it's not going to be easy for tomorrow's game. I know Nabi kule game esibuya kuyo over the weekend. He played the open game. But pound to pound, he knew that you can't match Orlando Pirates. I'm not too sure. Sometimes under pressure, you risk. You take risk. Unokuthi ube defensive approach ama game ngokuthi mina ngizodefender but udliwa ulibeka udefender. So I'm advise we are tata to anyone. Now basically no believe good okay, change strategy. Coming to this game.
Yeah, before you get there, let us imagine, I don't know what your prediction will be. We'll get there. Let us imagine that Chiefs wins tomorrow. How much will this mean? We are imagining it. Pirates is a big team. They're better than Chiefs. I'm not undermining them. Let us imagine that Chiefs wins tomorrow. How much will the celebration look like? How big do you think it will be even in the eyes of Chiefs fans?
Yeah, in Soweto, I know it's Chiefs and Pirates in Soweto. Yes, there are Swallows fans, my Swallows I say, but there are people who Swallows St. Louis, but Chiefs and Pirates, they are big in Soweto. And all over South African exclusive, all over South Africa.
Yeah.
Also in Durban, Labadlala Kona tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a big Chiefs space there.
Players will want to do for Brakinvich. I mean, he's in his work for the legacy. He has built a brand that nobody can take it away, just like that. And it means a lot. In fact, these players, I mean, in fact, it's a history. I mean, lama player phela manje la wazofika bomduwa bobani bona bothi prison staff. They came at Kaizer Chiefs very say under pressure. Kunguthi besehleli isikhathi eside ngawini anything. Once they can win tomorrow, everything will change. Personally, bona nje respect endleleni, yabo. They will get the respect from people, their fans, and it's tune set up sobuya. The brand is tunes nje set up. But sometimes even njengakusasa if they win ugly, I mean, I don't think they care good battle way ugly. You understand? And the matter with win, and there's a trophy. So they will walk checking the leagues in a pride to which lenti hlula abantu abaningi, even experienced players before us, but in a winning. And going from now, can we take it from forward? Okay. I'm sure even the fans, the pressure they was on it will be patient because bazoba pete some Chiefs might win even against example. Chiefs they can lose 7 games in the league and win 1 with 8. But Chiefs is back and leading in media. Go any hype and so we tend to believe it.
Yeah.
So the country, half of it is Kaizer Chiefs fans. So it's a power. Fan base yabo. Or if they can win tomorrow, go spin imoto. I'm going to life changing.
Like a Happy New Year.
Yes, life changing from those boys. Technical team Chiefs, I'm sure they will be so happy. They will start trusting Unabi. No matter they started bad, when the season bad, Bazobana listing to forget trophy. Ube nabu Kevin Hunt, NS Middledorp, Stuart Baxter, let us down and stuff. Bonka, Steve Compella, Mseki, Atazwane, him. Now win a trophy. No matter when the season bad, let's give a benefit of the doubt. But I'm near a budget. I'm sure. This is a man to follow one they will give. But it's a mountain to
It's a big if. Let's go to the game then. Pirates already beat Chiefs last week. It was a poor start by Pirates. All of us were here observing. It was very poor. They even had a poor start midweek against Arus, because Arus dominated the first half of this midweek game on Wednesday as well. However, you can't take away from the fact that Pirates is a better team, better squad than Kaizer Chiefs. They're in better form. They're doing well in the league. In fact, if we're looking for defender of the season, midfielder of the season, player of the season, we are nominating from Pirates. Midfielder, player, all of these awards, even coach of the season, we have to nominate from Pirates. Maybe 2 will win from Pirates, but we'll be nominating mostly from Orlando Pirates. It's been a great season for them.
Yeah, coach of the season, Namfit, which was a Rivero. Species defender of the season, I'll put him Nabumdao. With Sundowns, because Sundowns can take nothing away from them. One of the best team in the continent.
Yeah.
But Pirates players, says Kumanang H of Fuking feature. Then don't got a young player of the season.
Yeah.
Fuking, if it doesn't win a player of the season, player probably.
Yeah.
But nomination is over.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the list goes on right.
It shows it's been a great season.
Yes, the goalkeeper of the season as well.
He's going to be nominated.
Yes, Uchina. So it tells you my players that Pirates has. And look at their age as well. No matter be nominated, it's shocking. Then there's seasoned players that they will never even be nominated. And Kolmeside in the Kaizer Chiefs. Pirates, they are confident. I can tell you, they lost last week. They won last week. They started slowly. I think it was a Rivero last week he made a big mistake by allowing Kaizer Chiefs. Uqala defender too deep, like allowing Kaizer Chiefs to have ball, abalisusa at the back, nama midfielder yakhe amakhe zonal ngikhuluma ngomakhehleni no talent. I think kula aniki Chiefs confident corner. Also, considering early goal from Liliepo.
Yeah.
I think it was poor from Orlando Pirates. Would consider because if Pirates didn't take a game to Kaizer Chiefs, but respond. It was if Bebangana special players, let me put it that way, individual and as a team, they were not going to come back because the Chiefs, first 3 minutes to the Chiefs went back and starting to defend. 11 abeseng yazi ngibukela season yonke Chiefs, even last season. About low block, hoping to catch on the Pirates ngama breaks, and Pirates by doing that, thank you, and then they scored. I think they responded within 10 minutes. Because of a star player, Lomfano Kocha, boys doing well. Coachable as well, one of the best talent in terms of technique, speed, power. I think speed is strong points are come from the power in your win. Also the skill, bypassing people, well done to him. And he coach, I think downfall last week, the way he started the game, Mfuking number 10, I think that was a downfall for me. The boy career last season, even this season. Left-footed. It's half winger. Umuntu join on the box, the ball on another side. Sometimes they combine, but might lose the ball part going the left. If starting points baga left. So the career yakhe lapha yonke almost ngisho kuphethwe premiership ngoba kula sikujaja khona development wise. Umfana manguzomthatha ngale game ya last week playing against Chiefs umfake lapha. Angisho ukuthi number 10 iposition yakhe ngambona mina eschool bekadlala lapha, but we talking about Betway Premiership. He's been playing there and doing well there. That's why I nominated, I believe me, and he's one of the best in South Africa position. And we are competing no repair. So coach Utemaganda, I think downfall came there. Ukdalisu front three on the left hand side. He can't. We were supposed to be a left back. What Marco for me? I'll go for Marco. But if you are coach Mangabe Ukdalisu Marco, Mela Melem Dalisu left back and then Lumfana Taliga left. But to coach, I think second half. Nokutaka Lukabelo Dlamini on the bench last week, I think it was a downfall for me. It's a pity to be young Kutito Masonga, which is I believe tomorrow is going to be there.
Yeah, he was there on Wednesday, if you remember.
Scored as well.
Yeah.
On Wednesday between him and Kabelo Dlamini. I would love to see them playing number 2-8 or 2-10. Both in front of them Mfano talent. Yes, mhlamba ngaqala ngoma Khehleni coaching yazi mhlamba ngeke yenza. Uyodlala nga 2.
You play 2 defensive midfielders.
Yes, it's going to be talented in Makhehleni, but I want them to combine. Play as well, look for the ball. Can they manage the game? Can they surprise opponent? Yabo hayi ball abaphaswa bosibisi, ngiyazi sibisa akekho. You cannot expect forward players wenu aphase ama-player ama-defender wenu, which is uXoki nalo mfana lo uMbokazi. You can't do that. You cannot do that. Very obvious. Kune-possibility ukuthi game ungayiluza uma unganama-midfielder properly. So they're playing against Kaizer Chiefs. One, the coach is tremendous under pressure for me. which is Unabi. I don't think he trusts his players. His team chip and change. Agna consistency. There's no combination. You hardly see Kaizer Chiefs play 11-1, 3 games. Because of they're not winning. They're losing. They're losing in teams that they are not supposed to lose. So, under pressure, he's expected to win that trophy tomorrow. By hook or crook. You understand? But they're playing against the best team.
Before you go to your prediction, actually, there's one disease that we have. It always comes in big moments.
Yeah.
It came in the semi-final of this tournament against Sundowns.
Yeah.
It came in the final of the MTN 8 against the Stellenbosch for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
It's a disease. Do you expect any referee mistakes to decide this game tomorrow? And if they will, who is going to be the beneficiary of that? Who benefits from that?
It's going to be difficult to ngisho kanjalo because both teams, Chiefs and Pirates, they are. I can say it's going to be difficult, the referee to take a side.
Yeah.
Because for me, Stellenbosch is supposed to be playing this tournament for me. I remember Chiefs beating Stellenbosch to referee charge foul.
Sundowns.
It was Chiefs, Stellenbosch.
Chiefs
referee.
against Sundowns.
And even the referee. I remember corner kick, a foul, and then the referee.
Oh, yes,
like,
yes. At the beginning of this tournament. Yes, I remember, yeah. At the beginning of the
You
tournament.
see?
And then in the semi-final, it was Sundowns. Then it was clearly an offside goal
Yeah,
for Chiefs.
so yes, Chiefs. For me, bafike khona. We need to give credit where it's due. Officially, they are playing a final tomorrow.
Yeah.
But kula game I choose Stellenbosch. I think the referees badlala indima enkulu. Let disease okhuluma about officials.
Yeah,
abo referee.
the disease will if it appears tomorrow, it might decide the game.
Yeah, but you khuluma ngePirates la. It's not going to be easy.
Well, I mean, most of the time it's either to the benefit of Pirates and sometimes to the benefit of Chiefs. So it will be interesting to see who the referees benefit tomorrow.
Referee base South Africa, I think bahlali banendima abayidlalayo. Already second was ukuthi kumele ayekuphi, yabo. And it's killing South African football. You are right, the question ebuzayo. And
And it can cause a riot because there's so many people there.
there's
Moses Mabhida.
10,000 people that you mentioned that
Yeah.
they might be there.
Yeah, it will
And,
cause a riot if
khona-
the referee decides.
phela
the game.
Kaizer Chiefs fan they will go there ukuthi say win by hook or crook.
Yeah.
Sina 10 years nga win next. Yabo. So Orlando Pirates as well, their biggest team, the oldest as well. And it's going to be difficult. I mean, both teams joba ngisho the power that they've got in the media
Yeah.
in South African football, powerhouse. We're talking about the influence now off the field. Referee is going to be confused. It's going to be difficult. I mean, that's why.
Hopefully they can do their jobs. Let me go to your prediction then. What do you see tomorrow? Maybe let's start with what kind of a game is it going to be? Open? Is it going to be defensive? And who's going to win?
Yeah, Chiefs. I don't think they'll be Mzulu now, but I'm not going to play local football. If Lamatikila so which is a media, I mean, sometimes I don't dwell with it. But he's going to defend. He's going. Angeka yenze njenga last week. Ngimbonile ngeSundowns. He played open game. Kuleya game le, yes, he won ngobutsotsinyana, Chiefs by the referee. But Chiefs that played the open game. If we Sundowns never show up,
Yeah.
we let's be
It
realistic.
didn't create enough.
I don't think they'll play open game. They'll be Tito, Mfokeng, Nkotha. Left Mfokeng, Nkotha on the right. Tito central, which is in front of Talent Bacha and Makitlin. It's going to be difficult. So, most Chiefs yodlala iafin yabo. Pirates will play iafin Kaizer Chiefs in most. Igame isuka ngikhulu kuzobona. Yeah, maybe Chiefs first 5 minutes they can try to get the early goal like last week. But I'm sure Pirates bayibonile loo nto ukuthi icishe yasilimaza. If they're playing Sundowns, they get that Sundowns score that early goal, they were not going to come back. So I don't think they will allow it. This critical phase of the game, igame iqala nje, lapse of concentration, abucuke at the back, ngoba uye nalo mfana Mbokazi, especially him, I expect him as a senior player. Just uye kumele kube ne leadership lapha organize properly. Now Pirates, I don't think first whistle tomorrow. Ama-wing back wabo they will go. I don't think they will do that. UJose uyalifuna le trophy is leaving. Already uphumile ku-Champions League. I-blessing in disguise ku-coach. Ngoba kube bekadlala Champions League, yimi mina bengibona inika i-Chiefs. Yes, bekazoya all out. Pirates want to win any domestic trophy. I saw. They want to compete. They've got good players, but ukuphendula nje in tomorrow's game is not going to be open game. Pirates will attack mhlambe after about 10 minutes. First 5 minutes 10, both teams for me. Pirates will try by all means. Chiefs iyoqala ingafini yabo. Bazofuna ukubamba nje ama-break lepo mhlawumbe on the left hand side Modi.
Final score
He
prediction.
might play the coach adlale nga-7 defenders. I see him playing nga-7 defenders. 3-1. Angithi last week beyi-2-1.
2-1 to Orlando Pirates.
Pirates izoshaya 3. I'm not going to say this time who's going to score. Last week I said it, Mfukeng is going to score. But this time 3-1, Pirates are going to win the game. 3-1. It's going to be sealed 3-1.
There you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's comprehensive analysis of the game. Of course, it will unfold for itself, by itself, independent of whoever says what. The match will unfold on its own. Hopefully, the officials. Sometimes we speak about officials to put pressure on them because these videos get clipped and some of them maybe might see it, and we preempt it so that the evil that they're planning, when they see these clips a little bit, they're like, oh, okay, so hopefully they allow the game to unfold, and whoever wins is supposed to win on the basis of their strengths and not because it was predetermined. Itiski Times was sports betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shop kunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.